Whether you have a fancy formal event or just want to look cute, this simple 3D butterfly braid will have you ready in just 10 minutes. If you'd like to see how I achieve this super easy style, perfect for any age and occasion, grab your notes and let's get started. These are some items you will need on hand. You can use any hair tie you wish. Ideally, you'll want to pick a color closest to the color hair you'll be using. Today, I'll be using these standard black ones for demonstration purposes. You'll also need any kind of hair clip to clip the hair out of the way, a paddle brush to keep the hair smooth and tangle free, and at least one pack of braiding hair. This is the one I'll be using today. I removed the hair from the package and divided it into 2 halves. I'll be putting one half away for later when I show you how to do the extension. If the braiding hair did not already come with a tie in the middle, just add your own like so. Then find a stationary point to anchor the hair to. I'm just going to secure mine to my spool rack. You should have 2 sides like this. Since I'll be attaching this braid to a small top knot, I want to make sure I create enough space to cover the natural hair, so I'm going to tie off about the first 3 inches on each side with a rubber band. Now with my 2 ponies ready, I'm going to lay them on top of each other so I always have a top and a bottom pony. Starting with the top section, I'm going to split it into 3 equal parts. The 2 outer legs will be secured out of the way, like so, leaving the middle section to hang above the bottom pony. I'm then going to split the bottom pony into 2 sections and wrap them around the top pony middle leg and secure them directly upward. I'm then going to join back together all 3 legs of the first pony and secure it with a rubber band. Then I'm going to release the hair that we secured directly upward, and now this is going to become my new top pony. Now we just need to repeat the steps. I'm going to split the top pony into 3 equal sections, leaving the middle leg to hang down the middle. Then I'm going to split the bottom pony into 2, wrapping that middle leg and securing it directly upward. Now I'm going to join all 3 legs of the top pony and secure with a rubber band. Here we go one more time. I'm going to take my top pony and split it into 3 equal parts. The 2 outer legs will be secured out the way, leaving one middle section to hang down the middle on top of the bottom pony. I'm then going to split the bottom pony into 2 sections and wrap them around that middle leg and secure them directly upward. I'm then going to join back together all 3 legs of the first pony and secure it with a rubber band. Essentially, I'm going to continue repeating these steps until I reach my desired stopping point. Now let's say you want your pony to be longer. Here's a way to extend it if you don't already have longer hair. Using the other half of the hair I set aside earlier, I'm going to split it into 2 halves. Then using a crochet hook or a beaded tool, I'm going to feed some hair directly above the last place that I tied off. I'm then going to gather all of the hair for that one section and split it into 3 equal sections. You want to make sure that they are all the same length. Then repeating the steps, I'm going to wrap the bottom pony around the middle, join the 3 sections together and tie them off. Then using the other piece of hair, I'm going to feed that one through the last section that I tied off and repeat the same steps. I should now have a lot more hair to work with. Y'all, now that I'm watching this footage back, I can only think about octopus arms. I don't know if you guys remember when my hubby did my voiceover a few months back. The running theme for that video was octopus arms, and you just cannot stop laughing. I swear, anytime I need a good laugh, I pull up that video. And if you haven't seen it, I'll be sure to link it in the cards above. Anywho, now that the hard part is out of the way, here's the fun part. Starting at the top, I'm simply going to tug at the loops to create the bubbled or butterfly effect. There's really no right or wrong way to do this. You can get as messy as you want, or you can keep it as neat as you want. Just gently tug where you see fit. I did forget to mention earlier also, do not tie each section tightly. I may have only did 2 rotations with each tie. You want them to be secure but loose enough to pull. And you can do whatever you want with the ends. You can curl them or leave them straight. Here's another look at how to do this braid with a more vibrant color. Same process, just different color hair, which goes to show you, you can use whatever color you want. You can use a little amount of hair or a lot of hair. It's really up to you. The possibilities are endless. Since I'm also creating a separate braid for this, as long as I'm careful while styling it, I can reuse this at a later date. So all the braids that I've made up until this point will be going into a box which I can access whenever I need to in the future for a quick pony or a fancy updo. Nevertheless, it's still a quick style to create. For the braid, it literally only took me 5 to 6 minutes, and to install the pony, maybe another 5. It's literally under 10 minutes to create and install this look. I already have my girl Crystal here ready for her pony. I simply brushed her hair into a ponytail, braided her natural hair, and secured it into this top knot bun. I'm going to secure the pony to the bun using the tie that we started with in the middle. Position the pony at the top and then flip it over the bun and secure it with bobby pins. And that is it, you guys. I know a lot of you may have some fancy event this week with New Year's coming up, or maybe even a family portrait scheduled. I really just wanted to give you guys a quick, easy option for whatever that special occasion is. I'm going to finish this video up by showing off some of the different colors and styling options. As always, if you learned something, make sure you thumbs up this video and share it with a friend. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing for more content like this each and every week. We post here every Monday. I hope you all have a blessed and safe holiday. I appreciate each and every one of you for coming through and sending me all of your love and support. Trust me, it is all the gift I need this year. Y'all stay blessed, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.